How to fix erectile dysfunction quickly and naturally. Welcome to Prostate Patrol. If you're here, you're probably looking for an effective solution to improve your erection and regain confidence in your intimate life. You're in the right place. In this video, I'll give you the best strategies to combat erectile dysfunction naturally and effectively, with no fluff, just science-backed advice. Stay until the end. I'll also reveal the worst habits you must avoid to ensure your sexual performance stays strong. Quick and natural solutions for erectile dysfunction. 1. Improve blood circulation, the key to strong erections. Erections depend heavily on healthy blood flow. If blood circulation to the penis is poor, your erections will be weak or even non-existent. Foods that boost circulation. Pomegranate, spinach, ginger, citrus, fruits, dark chocolate, high in cocoa. Best exercises for better circulation. 30 to 40 minutes of daily walking, strength training, weightlifting, cardio exercises. 2. Boost your testosterone levels. Testosterone is the key hormone for male vitality. Low levels can lead to fatigue, low libido, and erection problems. How to increase testosterone naturally. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, do strength training, weightlifting, get sunlight exposure for vitamin D, eat healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts. 3. Reduce stress and anxiety, erection killers. Stress and performance anxiety are common causes of erectile dysfunction, especially in younger men. Effective ways to reduce stress. Deep breathing exercises. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. Meditation and mindfulness limit excessive porn use. It can desensitize your response to real intimacy. 4. Pelvic exercises to strengthen erections. Kegel exercises strengthen the muscles responsible for erection control. How to do Kegels. Identify the right muscle, the one you use to stop urine flow. Squeeze for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 reps, 3 times a day. 5. The best foods and supplements for stronger erections. Certain key nutrients can dramatically improve erectile function and libido. Top foods for better erections. Citrus fruits and antioxidant-rich foods. Garlic and onions boost circulation. Dark chocolate, rich in flavonoids. Watermelon contains citrulline, which improves blood flow. Best supplements for ED. L-arginine boosts nitric oxide for better circulation. Maca root increases libido and energy. Red ginseng, proven to improve erectile function. Zinc and magnesium, essential for testosterone production. 6. Avoid these erection-killing mistakes. Certain habits can be sabotaging your performance without you even realizing it. Common mistakes to avoid. Smoking damages arteries and reduces circulation. Excessive alcohol lowers testosterone production. A sedentary lifestyle reduces blood flow and hormone production. A poor diet, too much sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods. What causes erectile dysfunction? Now that you know how to fix it, let's look at what's causing the problem in the first place. Physical causes. Poor circulation, diabetes, high blood pressure, low testosterone levels. Psychological causes. Stress and anxiety, fear of failure, depression. Lifestyle-related causes. Lack of sleep, poor diet, excessive pornography use. Final thoughts. Regain your confidence and take control of your sexual health. Erectile dysfunction can be fixed. By making the right changes in diet, exercise, and stress management, you can restore strong, lasting erections naturally. Download my free ebook for advanced strategies, link in description. Keep watching our videos on Prostate Patrol for more expert tips on men's health. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the best content on male performance. What do you think? Drop a comment below and tell me which strategy you'll try first. See you in the next video.